Hi, I'm Agustin Juan Castelló, and these are the reasons why I have chosen my three houses. Stretto House in Dallas, Stephen Hall. What attracted me to deepen into this story was the freedom that the clients offer to the architect with the phrase, "You can do whatever you want." But finally, I chose this house for his musical involvement. As I have studied for 10 years in the Music Conservatory of Lorca, I wanted to know how music can intervene directly in the creation of architecture, and I wanted to see if my music studies can help me in this career. Frank Gehry House in California. This summer I traveled to Bilbao and I visited the Guggenheim Museum, which I found amazing. And when I saw in the Stories of Houses an article about Gehry, I decided to look it. I have found very strange that his neighbor shot Gehry's home, because I see this as if LeBron James invented a new shot, unlike normal release, and people wanted to destroy all the balls to LeBron can throw more, despite he gets results and he is a great player. Although these people are football followers. Many people, when they see something different that breaks the monotony, they think wrong and qualify this new element, despite having no judgment in the matter. In this article, I also like the idea of a house that evolves, which is modified depending on its habitant over the time. Moormen House in Belgium, Ettore Sottsass. In this case, I chose this house for my curiosity, because here was intended to create a home where a few items without relation should live together, such as an art collection and a birds collection, in danger of extinction. The result was the union of family life with birds and pictures, creating a home that could be a natural park and a museum. Finally, I conclude with the reason why I have chosen these houses: the interest derived from a hobby, an experience through a trip, and the curious to see how the situation develops.